Welcome to Fayal Botanic Garden. This is where the ex-situ conservation actions of the Life VIDALIA project take place. The Botanic Garden of Fayal was created in 1986. It is an interpretation center belonging to the regional government of the Açores. From its beginning, its mission is to contribute to the knowledge, the dissemination of that knowledge, and the conservation of the flora of the Açores. Ex-situ conservation measures occur outside the natural areas. The Botanic Garden keeps a complete collection of coastal endemic flora. Açores Seed Bank conserves seed samples of Azorean flora, and the Rare Plants Nursery provides plants for conservation actions. Besides the living plant collection, seed banking is a basic tool for species conservation. Under Life VIDALIA, the improvement of the germination protocol for Lotus azoricus is one of the objectives.
The first trials with Lotus azoricus, one of the project target species, showed a 34% success rate. We also had a protocol using sulfuric acid that showed a success rate above 90%. But acid is not a safe material to handle in the nurseries nor the seed bank, especially with the amount of propagations protocol needed. So we looked at the natural habitat and tried to figure out what was causing the abrasive effect that the seed needed to germinate. We figured out that probably was the rocks on the natural habitats and tried to replicate it in the laboratory using sandpaper. After, with this new protocol, we had a success rate of 84% and a safer protocol was adapted to the nurseries.
In order to guarantee the necessary number of plants of both the target species but also the companion species in the habitat, we had to improve the capacity of the nursery. So an investment has been done in infrastructures, in building new areas of production. We have produced around 80,000 companion species plants, almost 9,000 Zurina vidali, and 4,000 Lotus azoricus. Those plants have already been introduced on field. We have to develop the best protocol here in the nursery so we can produce the target plant. Zurina vidali, for instance, we have realized that the plants at this stage, planted early in the season in October, November, guarantee the best survival rates in the field. Lotus, on the other hand, we have much less experience with, so we are still learning how to deal with this plant to establish permanent and viable populations in the field. In order to respect the genetic origin of each plant, a tight control is guaranteed throughout the whole process, from seed collection, seed banking, propagation here in the nursery, and when returning those plants to the original population, so that the genetics don't get mixed and future studies will still be possible. With the contribution of LIFE program of the European Union.